Put each in the bowl. That does not go in the bowl. Alright, welcome back to Salty Cooking. Today we're tackling peanut butter cookies. Now I've never done this recipe before, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how it turns out. First we're going to start by adding all our dry ingredients. We got 3 cups of flour in the bowl. We got both 1 cup each of brown sugar and just regular white sugar in the bowl. Now we got a mixture of baking soda and baking powder, 1 teaspoon each in the bowl. That does not go in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt too. Probably not even a teaspoon, maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon, because there's already a lot of salt in this. So there's a 1/4 right there. Now what we're going to do after that, take your spoon and mix it all together. Peanut butter cookies are some of the easiest cookies you can make. Pretty much your regular cookie dough, just add peanut butter. It's alright if it's a little clumpy, it'll all mix together. Alright, now we're going to put our wet ingredients in there. So we got 2 eggs. We got 2 sticks of room temperature butter and vanilla. So we're going to start with putting the eggs in there. Pop your butter in there too. If it'll work with me, that'd be excellent. Yeah, it's just using that. Now we're going to pour about a teaspoon of vanilla, but you know me with vanilla, more the merrier. Now we're going to start mixing all that together. It's kind of gonna look like that. Really clumpy. This is when you're gonna add in your peanut butter. Now that's either 2.5 cups of peanut butter, or just take your spoon and it's 3 heaping scoops. Heaping. That's about good. Get that peanut butter out of there. Alright. Peanut butter. Alright, now you just mix. Gotta get it off your spoon so it'll work out and work with you, not against you. Just keep mixing it until it's all incorporated. Even if your hand starts to cramp up on you, gotta just fight through it. And even if your spoon starts to try and break on you, just get a new spoon. Just gotta fight through it. If you have a blender, this will be much faster. It'll probably turn out smoother too. Alright, now that everything is pretty much all incorporated, it's all mixed in together. Put that aside. Should look like that. And when you grab it, it should clump together really good. And that's a cookie right there. Take out a baking sheet. Now what you're gonna do, get some parchment paper, and on your pan, underneath the parchment paper, either drip a little bit of water, or take some olive oil or vegetable oil, any kind of oil, and put it on the bottom so your parchment paper doesn't move. It's nice and oily and it sticks. Anyway, now we're going to take our cookie and we're going to start making rows. Now the space for them is 2 to 3 fingers apart because they're going to spread out. So you need room for them to grow. Down like that. Now, after you got it ready on your pan, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 and put them in for 15 minutes and pull them out and see what they look like. Alright, we are back after 15 minutes, them being in the oven. Let's check on them. They came out perfect. Look at that. That's an awesome peanut butter cookie. Alright, now let's transfer them from our cooking tray to our cooling rack. These turned out perfect. Staying together nice. They smell awesome. They got a nice texture to them. And now let them set for 5 minutes before you eat them. Alright, now let's dig into these cookies. They look very, very soft. Oh, look at that. They're nice and crumbly. So good. Best peanut butter cookies you're ever gonna have. I swear. Subscribe for more, share if you like this video. If you like cooking, please, you'll really like this channel.